this is my favorite question actually. What causes bad breath?
Lots of things can cause bad breath. One of the things that I've noticed that causes bad breath is tonsillar stones. It's something, sometimes I'll get a patient, they'll come in, they will tell me that, oh, I'm brushing, I'm flossing, I come to the dentist every 6 months, I don't know what else to do, and I will take a look in their mouth and we'll check their tonsils. And if they have very cryptic or sort of a netty tonsils, and they trap food in that net on their tonsils. And what happens is the food particles stay in the tonsils, and they tend to, trap more food as you swallow food, and it gets bigger and becomes tonsillar stones, and they really smell bad. And lots of, especially 17-year-old, 18-year-old boys tend to have this for some reason. I'll find that, usually I see this in growing kids or teenager children. Mm-hmm. The other thing that causes bad breath is not flossing, or not brushing your tongue, or not getting your dental visits every 6 months, or not brushing twice a day. These are all things that will cause bad breath. The last thing I think that causes bad breath is your diet. If you have a diet that's high in sulfites like garlic and those kinds of strong smelling foods, it's all one tube. The mouth goes all the way down, and your stomach is right there, and whatever is happening in your stomach and your intestines, all of that can come back up and produce bad breath.
All right, no more garlic for me.